Hello everyone, welcome back to Learnbay. After learning interesting facts about data science in sports, here we are with an interesting area of sports, football. Today, data analytics play an essential role in the football business. Clubs want to acquire a competitive advantage both on and off the field, and big data is enabling them to extract insights to improve player performance, reduce injuries, and increase commercial efficiency. Contextualizing the material and deriving important insights, on the other hand, is not always a straightforward process. Football uses data in three main areas: performance analysis, recruitment, and planning. Data is utilized to enhance pre- and post-match analysis of important player attributes, set piece patterns, chance generation, and team structure throughout various phases of play in performance analysis. This data may be used to analyze how the team and individual players fared in respect to predetermined KPIs as part of the game plan and football strategy after the match. Data is increasingly being used in the recruitment to examine and analyze players from various markets versus current team members and potential transfer targets. This is used in addition to traditional live reconnaissance tactics and video. Traditionally, recruiting has been centered solely on team enhancement, but more emphasis is increasingly being placed on long-term financial benefit. This strategy has contributed significantly to Brentford's success. Given the importance of positive engagement between analysts and managers, players and coaches, the ability to present information effectively and explain analysis and insight is appreciated. A lecture on managing relationship and bargaining with decision makers is included in Birkbeck's football analytics course. It underlines the importance of knowing about a football club's culture and the people that work there. Analysts in the recruiting department have demonstrated how data may be used with traditional scouting methods to identify deals. In general, analysts have demonstrated that despite its reliance on passion and proclivity for unpredictability, football contains consistent and predictable patterns that may be mapped and exploited. Cultural consideration as well as technological developments have affected the gradual use of statistics in football. Overcoming mistrust and ignorance about data, developing a data culture, finding relevant insights, analysts all around the world are aware of the difficulties that football analysts confront and continue to face. Football experts advise their clients to be patient. For every data-driven Pep Guardiola in the boardroom, there will be a conservative like Sam Allardyce. Determine the best approach for your situation. Demonstrate that you are a member of the team, not the adversary. So, all the football fans out there, do let us know what you like most about the video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to Learnbay.